So I was outside eating some. I was outside today just sitting around doing nothing, unlike kids would normally do. And yeah, I saw a bird hopping, and he wasn't jumping. And here he is. He wasn't flying at all. Little dude can't fly. Come here, little fella. See? Look at him. Oh, buddy.
I don't like that.
Here this little stinker is. If any of you know what kind of bird this is, can you tell me?
He's so cute, isn't he? Well, I can't.
He doesn't have enough feathers to fly.
I can't even find any bugs, but
Here you go.
I do
Oh.
actually have an idea.
Oh, poor thing.
He keeps on falling down like that. Like,
Oh no, I got bird poop on my hand.
ew! I think it will wash off. I think.
Go get a regular box and some blankets.
No, don't worry, little
Emma,
buddy,
go.
don't worry.
Stop dropping grass in there.
You may like it for little habitat.
I don't think a bird deserves this. He's eyeing the camera. Have any of you guys had the opportunity to do this? Pet a wild... Oh, that's his beak. Has any of you had the chance to pet a wild bird? Well, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more things like this, guys.